Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn roof service loads. In some cases, steel structures installed inside of another building. In this case, this building uses for the mezzanine purpose. Let's learn how to assign these loads in MkaPHP. Let's get started. Let's create a new model. File menu, new project. Our project name is Roof Service. I am going to select a monoslope roof and make the column height is 3 meters. Our model is created. This model is used for a mezzanine, so our roof slope has to be 0. Let's do it. I click the Model tab and X-axis button. Then select the truss 0. Then press Edit button. To make the roof slope 0, you have to change hash parameter to 0. Now our roof slope is 0. Let's click OK. Let's click Apply Changes. Now our mezzanine is ready. Let's click Loading tab and click is another building option. In this case, Roof Service button is visible. If I close this, Snow and Wind Loads buttons are available. I click again. Then I click the Roof Service load. You can define the leave loads here. A lot of options are available. Select for your desire. I am going to select office areas. And the leave load is 3 kN per square meter. Then I click OK. Of course, you have to change the sheeting because this roof is going to use for a walking area, so you need to define a suitable sheeting. I am selecting the roof dead loads and I am changing the sheeting type. Concrete block is available and useful. Concrete block is available and is suitable for this. I click this and the thickness of the concrete block is 10 centimeters. Then I click Apply Change button. Now our model is ready. Remember that this model does not take any snow or wind loads because it is in another building. See you next lesson.